Hello, welcome back guys to Amelie Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change LinkedIn language. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course you just have to open your LinkedIn. Here I'm going to open my LinkedIn applications, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, yeah guys. And after here, you just have to go to your account here at the top left in the corner. Now go ahead to the settings at the bottom. In this settings page, you go ahead to account preferences, and it is account preferences page. You will see it the general preferences, which is language and content language. If you want to change it, the language for your LinkedIn, you just have to choose these two options, which is the language on your LinkedIn application or for the content language only. For example, here I'm gonna change for the language on my application, and this is the information that on this app is will adjusting from the language that we use in this phone, yeah guys. So if you use Indonesian language in your phone, for the LinkedIn is will adjusting use the Indonesian language. So if you want to change it to another language, you just have to choose this content language, and you have to tap on this change, and now choose the language that you want to use. For example, here I'm gonna change it to the Indonesia. I'm gonna change it to Bahasa Indonesia, and now for the language it's already changed. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.